Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today guys, we are on Madden Mobile. I'm recording a pack opening video. Yeah, of 50 packs. So, and since I have like an Apple phone, I can't record on my phone. So, I'm just gonna open the packs here. We got some pretty good packs, some pretty trash packs. I'm gonna open up the trash ones first, like the game time. Let's see what we get. Trash. Let's see this. Dun 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 dun. Trash. Wait, is this Game Changer reward pack or is that a player? I'm not sure. Coins. Okay. In the comments, tell me if you like having the redeem coins, or do you just like having continue and then quick sell them later? I don't know. Okay. Let's see here. So we got some trash packs right here. This is an achievement pack, which is probably really trash. Yeah, it's one of these. Super set. What are we gonna get? Boom. Oh, and how do you feel about the Patriots winning the Super Bowl? Honestly, I'm not too happy about that. First of all, because I'm a Broncos fan and I hate the Patriots. And I don't know, I just like the Falcons. I don't know. Just like the Falcons. Let's open the gold player pack. We got a new tight end. Okay. I didn't see that. Okay. Okay, Chris Matthews. We actually have an AFC Pro Bowl pack still, so NFC Pick'em reward pack, which I failed. Yep. So let's see what I should open now. What should I open, man? Like that, seriously. I don't know. Let's do maybe some game plans, See what we can get. Let's get a good game plan. I don't know if it's even possible to pull a silver one. I think I can only pull some bronze. I got a bunch of game plan packs. So, I'm gonna go look at my game plan after this pack opening. See what I can do to it, So, come on, please be something good. Oh, it's not too good. See what we get. Cornerback on first and goal. Okay. Let's see here. So we have some pretty good packs here left over. We have 32 packs. I'm going to open this 2 trophies. I'm going to open the trophies. I've actually never pulled an elite trophy. So if I pull an elite trophy, I'm going to be so happy, dude. Like, boom. 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 Trash. Come on. So let's see here. Okay, some golds. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. What should I open? Okay. So I have 2 Super Bowl elite players that I can open. Let's go into the quick sells. Let's open some quick sells. See what we can pull out of the quick sells. 500. Not bad, not bad. Oh my gosh, please stop loading. Yay. Okay. See what we can pull. Come on, please be something good. Boom. 250. So this is... Come on. Come on, what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? 250 again, dude. Are you kidding me? Come on. Come on. I need something good for the packs. For the viewers. Come on. Something good. 900. That's our best one so far. We haven't pulled anything above 1,000 yet, which is crazy. 800. Okay. Still trash. What are we gonna get? 500. Oh my gosh. These quick sells. Dude. Okay. Whoa. 700. Not bad, but still really bad. Okay, let's see. What can we pull? Okay, 600. Come on. Please be something good. Like 1 million. There's like 1 in 1 centillion chance you can pull 1 million out of this. Like, seriously. I don't know if you even can, but oh my gosh. We're right at the last few treasure hunt pack thingies. 1,000! Oh my gosh. On our last one, we got 1,000. Was that our last one? Was it our second to last? Oh, that was our second to last. Okay, let's see what we get in our last one, dude. 250, man. What the heck, dude? What's this legend reward pack? What's this? Wait, did I trade up 5 elite trophies for that? Why did I do that? Or did I just get that for free? I don't know. But we've got some pretty good stuff left. I don't know if this game changer is a player or not. I'm going to try it because it says reward pack. Why did I save that? Okay, well, we're down to the last 13 packs, which are pretty good packs, if you ask me. Let's open a pro pack. See what we can pull from the pro pack. Boom. We got punt returner Tyler Lockett. Speed 79. That's pretty bad. Okay. Let's see here, dude. Okay. Come on. Let's do another pro pack. See what we can pull. Pro packs. Hooah! A center. Okay, that's pretty trash. Veterans player pack. Now let's save that for a bit later. Let's do Football Outsiders. Oh, let's go! Oh my gosh. Guys, that's a great pull. That's real good. Oh my gosh, dude. That is awesome, dude. Whoo! What was that from? I just forgot. That's Football Outsiders. Ooh, and you're not even guaranteed an elite. It's a gold or better. Okay, let's try Veterans. Veterans player back. Okay, that's pretty bad. Come on, please be an update. Oh, this is... Okay, I'll just open it. Please be an update team. Update team. Oh! Oh my gosh! Insane! Dude, this is a crazy pack opening, dude. Oh, 89 Bud Dupree. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, let's try the Veterans. Come on, please be something. Update team, I don't really care. Yes, it's an update team. Okay, guys. Whew. Pulling some straight fire here, guys. Okay, we're down to the last few packs. Okay, let's try and do a big game pack. Let's see what we can get here. We got a big game pack. Let's see what... Ooh! Corey monthly. I hope you're going for a lot. Okay, David Andrews. Okay. Stu League League pack. Come on. See what we can get. I want to pull one of the League v League's players. I don't know. It'll be hard to pull one. Oh, that's a nice Dominique Rogers-Camardi I just pulled. Yeah, that was trash. Okay. Come on. See what we can pull. We're down to the last 5 packs. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so cool. Okay. What should I open, dude? What should I open? Let's try a premium pack. I don't know, guys. Let's try a premium pack. See what we can pull here, dude. That was pretty bad. A bad premium pack. I don't know. What should I open? Let's go with Big Game or Pro Bowl. Big Game, Pro Bowl. Big Game, Pro Bowl. Let's do a Pro Bowl pack because they're out of date, kind of. But let's see. AFC Pro Bowl pack. Which they are the ones who actually won the Pro Bowl. Oh, DeAndre Levy. Not bad. But I just pulled like 2 elite linebackers. So, let's open a non-auctionables. No, let's save that for last. Big game pack. Come on, give me some elite. Moi money. Okay, there's our player. Oh, we got another. Headliners. Hopefully you're a good headliner that goes for like 200K. Let's open the non-auctionable one, which you get for free. If you hop on Madden Mobile today. Oh my gosh, that's real good. I'm pretty sure that's pretty good, even though it's non-auctionable. Oh, that's so. Oh, dude. Oh, the elites, dude. The elites, dude. Oh my gosh. Last pack. Okay. I'm not looking, guys. I'm not looking. So you guys see it first. I'm not looking. Dude. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Let's see what I got here. Paul Kruger. Not bad. Even though I pulled like 1 million linebackers this. Oh my gosh, I pulled like 1 million linebackers, dude. Let's look at my linebackers here. I pulled Paul Kruger and yeah, a bunch of other stuff. And wow, look at those pulls, guys. The pulls are crazy, dude. Who else did I pull? Oh yeah, I pulled him. Okay, let's recap what we pulled, guys. Let's recap what we pulled. So let's see here. So, okay. Our highlights of the day. Oh my gosh. These 4 players. Logan Ryan, Paul Kruger, Bud Dupree, and Senor Clemente. So that was not bad. So that was a great pack opening, if you ask me. And this is Henry Mason channel. And let's actually go to my team. Let's see here, guys. Let's throw in the Chris Matthews. And so wait, who's better? Yeah, Kyle Rudolph is probably better. Should I just do you? I don't know. I'll just put him there for now. Let's see what else. We got a new OT, which is pretty good. Okay. Build an offense with all golds. Okay, so we got 2 OGs here. Got you, dude. Oh my gosh, my offense is so much better. It's an 84. But dude, we're not done. We still have the defense. Do we have special teams? No. Oh my gosh, we still have the defense, guys. Look at all the update teams, dude. Woo! This is crazy, man. Who gets most interceptions? Who gets the most interceptions? I don't know. I think Jones does. So let's put you here. Yes. Oh my gosh, an 85 defense. This is stacked, dude. Okay, dude. Oh my gosh. Looking at the players is just like, oh my gosh, dude. Like, dude. Who should I put in? Bud Dupree or Paul Kruger? Bum. Let's see here. If you're still in the video, if you're still watching this video, that's awesome. Because, oh my gosh, crazy pulls. Like, cray, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Like, dude. I want a good middle linebacker. Let's do Bud Dupree at middle linebacker. She's pretty speedy, right? What speed? 90 speed. Yeah, Bud Dupree's fast. How fast are you? He's pretty slow, I think. Yeah, 75. What about you, DeMarcus Ware, my boy? 80. Okay, Paul Kruger. Put you on the edge, dude, my man. Paul Kruger. Oh my gosh, I hate to do this, but DeMarcus Ware. I have to put a Chief in for a Bronco. I'm sorry, DeMarcus Ware, but Tamba Holly has to take your place. Oh, we got another corner, but oh yeah. What if I click best lineup? But I like Desmond Trufant. Is he? Let's see which one's better, Joe Hayden or Desmond Trufant. What about catch? Do they have catch, dude? Why don't they have catch, dude? Can I even drag this man, dude? Can we do catch? Do you have catch? No. Desmond Trufant. Oh my god, dude. Look at my overall. We're at 85 overall. Look at, we have an 86 defense, an 81 special teams, an 84 offense. Dude, we used to have an 84 defense and an 83 offense. Wait, we went 2 overalls up just from that pack opening. We used to be an 83 overall team. Now we're an 85, dude. Oh my gosh. This is crazy, man. Ryan Beluga. Let's search Ryan Beluga. Like beluga's whales. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Ryan. Oh. What? Ryan. He's an 84 program. Headliners. Where's headliners? There it is. Oh, he's going for like 5K. Yeah, he's going for like 5K, guys. I'm just probably going to keep him on my team. Let's go to my team. Didn't I pull like a center? Yeah, Lindsley. I'm searching Lindsley. Lindley. I probably spelled that wrong. What? Why is there an O? Lindley. I probably spelled that wrong. Oh my gosh, I spelled it correct. Okay, we see him going for 100 million coins. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is actually pretty good. 24K? Oh my gosh, that's actually not bad. 24K here. Oh my gosh.